guys, it's EpicGeekFailTV here, and today I thought I'd show you how you can get cracked Mac Store apps, if for any purpose that you may want, educational or not. So let me start by saying that this is a disclaimer that this is for educational purposes only and demonstration purposes right now. This is just showing that Apple has a major exploit in this security flaw of here, and so we've been able to put this out and get free apps from cracking. So I have found an Angry Birds DMG app that somebody has graciously put on the internet for us, and I previously bought Angry Birds, but I deleted it so I could do this tutorial. And first thing you need to know is you need to buy one free app on the App Store to make this work. So that's the only way you can get this to 100% work, is if you have a free app. So here's Angry Birds, and if we drag this to our applications folder where it needs to be put to make this work, we find Angry Birds and open that up. If you open it up, you click open, it just crashes automatically. And if I run it, and here we'll get assigned into this computer because that's the guy who bought it and put it on the internet. So his email's out there right now, so you go spam the shit out of him. That's a great thing to do. Alright, so now that we know that Angry Birds doesn't work, you gotta put a little patch fix on this. So I'm going to use Twitter for this demonstration, and you're going to need to right click and hit show package contents, and there's Twitter, and go up to Angry Birds, which you just dragged in from the DMG, or any other app you actually have. This works for everything, and click show package contents, and then here's Angry Birds and Twitter. So hit Twitter contents and Angry Birds contents, and then you'll see that each of these have a code signature, a mask recept, and a code resources. So copy the one from Twitter, the free app, over to Angry Birds, paste it, and hit replace, and that will replace the codes, and you should be good. So go back to your applications folder. If you open up Angry Birds, it should be working as planned. Yep, there we go. So Angry Birds is now officially 100% working on this. I'm going to quit because I actually don't need to play it. Angry Birds works now, so this actually works for any App Store app that can be cracked. So I think there's a compatibility list coming out soon, and right now this is just temporary. And also Gizmodo has a guide actually on how you can do this for any app, and this is actually you actually have to edit the code, and they have a code thing, so you don't have to do the free app thing. It's a lot harder actually, but it works a lot more efficiently. So this is a quick and easy way. But if it doesn't work, you would try Gizmodo's, and that's code hacking. The other thing I wanted to introduce is Bodega, which is like the Mac App Store, except it's full of open source stuff that hasn't been put in the Mac App Store, and I think I haven't used it as much, but there's some paid apps and a lot of stuff that's been free. So it's much more apps than everything else, and it's a really cool thing. I'll put links in the description on how to get it. And I'd like to also keep in mind that the Mac App Store crack I just showed you is only temporary, since the new Kickback is coming out in mid to late February. And Kickback pretty much is a fully blown Installous for your Mac. It's actually made by the same people who run Installous, so check that out. So this has been an Epic Geek Fail little production, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos, mostly the Thrash for iPhone or the Lime Ring jailbreak for old 4.0 or 4.1. So thanks for watching.